Tom, a young boy in London, woke early one sunny morning. He was excited. His family was going to the famous London Zoo. He quickly dressed and ate breakfast. His mother packed food. Soon they were ready. At the zoo, Tom saw a big gate. He heard birds and children, feeling happy. They walked inside. The first animal was a large, strong lion with yellow fur. It roared loudly. Tom was scared, but his father said it was safe. Next, they saw active monkeys jumping and making funny faces. One tried to grab Tom's hat. Everyone laughed. It was very funny. After that, they saw very tall giraffes with long necks. Tom read that giraffes are the tallest land animals. His parents were proud. Later, they got lost. Tom found the path on the map. He led his family out, feeling proud. They bought ice cream. They talked about their day. Driving home, Tom felt tired, but happy. It was a wonderful day he would always remember.